Alright, hello everybody. This is Mike Tran again. I'm back again with boating, fishing, and around the house. So today, again, we talk about fishing, and what I would like to share with everybody today is how to make homemade teaser for fishing. Like you go fishing for mackerel or something like that. You need a teaser. Let's go on to the wire leader or any leader. Okay, so normally most of the time people go fishing for the wahoo or mackerel. They have to have the teaser. The teaser is something like this to slide onto the wire leader, and just be right there where you hook the bait onto this hook and onto this hook. This hook to the tail, this hook onto the lip, and this hook on the tail. So anyway, when the fish come up, grab the bait, no matter where he grabs it, he'll get hooked anyway. So the teaser is catch the fish attention. So they come in variety color, but I could not find the one that I want. All of these color, they of course different people have a different color that they like, but me myself I like flashy color because it catch more attention. I go fishing when it's on a beautiful day, sunshine. So I believe the flashy, silver flashy is catch more attention than this dark color. Okay, so but anyway, I cannot find anywhere, so I decided to make my own. So believe it or not, it's very cheap, and you can do it very easily at home. Okay, what do you need to do is you need a tube. This clear tube. I get in any, you can find it in any hardware store. There's a 40-inch tube. You can get smaller, but happen I have this for a long time in my shed, my store shed, so I just pull it out and use it instead of go buy it. I think it's just like 18 cents per foot. Okay, so you need probably 2 feet is good enough for you to build enough teaser to use for several years. Okay. What you need next is the rubber band. Okay, this rubber band is if whoever have a family member have a brace on their teeth, they will have a lot of this rubber band in the house. So just use that because it's very durable. Okay. And if you don't have any, I believe that you can find it in online, something like that, rubber band for braces. And I'm sure that you can find a bag like this. A bag like this is several of them, so it's enough for you to use for several years, I believe. And that is, I don't know how much it's online cost or something like that, you know. So here is the flashy, it's called, this is the like a rainbow light. As you can see, it's very flashy and it has like rainbow color in it with a fine hair. So I will build one out of this, but because I like this work good, but it's too fine. I like something that catch more attention, so I could not find anywhere anything. So I got this from a store for the Christmas store. As you can see, it's very flashy under the light, just the light inside the house. But if you go on the outside under the sun, you definitely need some sunglasses on because it can hurt your eye. Okay, so when it's getting go into the water, it's definitely catch attention. And I like this because it's long enough. It's about 5 inches. So when I take it out, I fold it in half, tie it to the tube, good to go. So it's just right at the length that I want. Okay. So this, you to understand this was twist together by a very small wire. So, you know, and at the end they twist it and close it. All you do is just hold it there and find a wire, untwist it, pull it out piece by piece. In this case, I will pull out in the bundle. But first, I will cut the tube like an inch or 3/4 inch. You know, the longer the tube, the easier you can work with. I normally give it an inch here, an inch, okay, and that's where you can hold it. If too small, half an inch, you can do it too, but it's you know, you get more struggle to tie the rubber band on, okay. So I like to do that, and this I just hold this firmly and pull it out of there, just like that. You see that? You pull out that much. That's all you need. And I bought this for, let's say, $11.99 plus tax. And this one I bought it for $1.99 plus tax. So total of these two cost me less than $15 and maybe 18 cents for this. I don't know how much a rubber band, but less than $20, and you can make hundreds of them. And I don't care how old you are, but I'm pretty sure that you can use all the way to the day that you retire from fishing. Okay, this won't take but just a very few seconds to have that done. And since you get it out, you fold it in half where it's used to twist around the wire. You fold it in half like that. You put this in the middle, okay, right there along with it, and hold everything in a bundle together like that, okay? And use the rubber band. This rubber band is very durable, and just wrap around it as many loops as you could, as tight as you could, okay? Because this is normally after you hook one fish, it's gone anyway. It's not longer to be able to use it anyway. There you go. You got a teaser. All right. Then what you do when you have the wire leader ready, all you have to do is just slide it through the tube. All right. Let me see if I can get that in there. There you go. That's it. Now, when it's going in the water under the sunlight, let me tell you, it can catch some attention right there. And pretty much that's all you need. And that's you done with the teaser. Easy as is. Take you less than 30 seconds to build one. And you can build several. I normally build several. I start build several of them now, so I can use it. And the whole thing is, don't leave this too long. This 2.5 inch is the best. That's the best length, is 2.5 inch. And because it's too long, it's cold with the fish, the bait. It probably is not a good idea, okay? So, all right, we're done with one. This is, I like this because it's a big flecky, big flashy thing right here. So now I'm gonna build another one, same thing with that, the way I did to the other, another, again, 1 inch of the tube, and 1 rubber band, okay, and this you cut about 5 inches. You don't need a lot, okay, you just hold it out in bundle like that, okay, hold it in a bundle, hold it tight, okay, just like that. Nice cut, just like haircut, okay? Short cut like that, fold it in half, make it equal size, and not necessarily really equally, but approximately is fine, okay? There you go. Okay, hold it down in a bundle, just like you did to the other. And I know I have another one that's laying around here. It is another one to come from the other bundle I built earlier, strictly silver. So I put it in here too, put it in use as well. Okay, the tubers doesn't need to go into metal like the one that you purchase in the store. This doesn't do any different at all. It just makes it look good. But for fishing, the fish, they don't care how it's look. The only matter is catch its attention. Again, tie the rubber band around it, as many loops as you could, as tight as you could. Again, as I say, this is very durable, the rubber band. Here you go, another teaser with a rainbow color. Okay, and this you buy it in stores. I think some place they charge you about $2 a piece. This costs you less than 10 cents. Okay, it won't take you longer. A couple seconds, you're done with it. Here you go. I'll take this one out. Slide this one on. There you go. You got another different color. Red bow color teaser. Just like that. And when the sunlight, the current will flash it. Cause it flashing around, and it will catch the fish attention. Alright, so that's all I have. Make it yourself, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a happy boating and fishing.